Welcome students, let me continue our next class on straight line. Here in this class I am mainly solving the problems from your exercise 9.1. See the first question here. Here is a question, draw a quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane whose vertices, he has given the vertices, 4 vertices, and question is to find its area here. So this is a general question actually. Now let me take into consideration your Cartesian plane here. See, in this Cartesian plane, this is your x-axis, this is the y-axis, y dash, this is your origin here. Okay, see the point minus 4, 5, where it comes minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4 and then plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is minus 4 comma 5, this is what the first point here. Next is 0, 7. 0, 7, 0, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, this is 0, comma 7. Take this as, okay, 0, 7. Next is 5 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 comes below. Here minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is what the next point, 5, comma minus 5. And then minus 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4, 2. Here minus 4, comma 2 will come here. Now let me name these as, take this as A, this as B, this point you take it as C, and then this one you take it as D here. Now draw a quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. Let us join this AB. Next, take BC, CD with the scale you need to join. Roughly I am trying to join them. See, this is what AD here. I have drawn the quadrilateral here. Okay. Draw a quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane whose vertices are. We have drawn here. Find its area. So in order to find its area, just simply you join a diagonal BD or AC here. I would like to join BD here. Join BD here. See, this is BD is the diagonal here. So as a result, quadrilateral ABCD is divided into two parts. See, this quadrilateral ABCD is divided into ABD and then BCD here. Okay. Two triangles are formed. Separately you find the area of the triangle ABD and BCD separately, and then sum them. Sum up that area and you will get the total area of the quadrilateral. In SLC you have done this. The same work is there here actually. See, area of, just the theme is area of quadrilateral ABCD. This is nothing but two areas. That is what area of triangle ABD, this is one thing, plus area of triangle, what you need to take here? BCD you need to take here. BCD you take here. Okay. Now you call this as first one, take it as delta 1 and this one as delta 2. Okay. And call this as equation number 1 here. Separately I would like to calculate delta 1 and delta 2. Now delta 1 is equal to area of triangle ABD. Please concentrate here. With respect to this triangle, A is minus 4, 5, minus 4, comma 5, minus 4, comma 5. And then next point is B, 0, 7, and then next point is D minus 4, comma 2 here. Now this act as x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and then this is x3, y3 here. Use the formula 1 by 2 into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3, after x1, x2 into bracket y3 minus y1, plus of x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. See, this is what the concerned formula to find the area of the triangle. Now let us substitute the values here. So this is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. x1 value clearly I have written. See in the screen, x1 value is minus 4. Minus 4 into bracket. y2 minus y3. y2 is 7, y3 is minus 4. y2 minus y3 is there. y2 minus y3 is there here. 7 minus of minus, that leads to plus directly, right? 7 plus y2 minus y3. It is not negative here, it is positive only now. y2 minus y3, y3 is 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 plus x2. x2 value is 0. Okay. 0 into bracket y3 minus y2. y3 is 2 and then minus y1 is there. y1 is 5. Okay. Then plus x3. x3 value is minus 4. Minus 4 into bracket y1 minus y2. y1 is 5 and then y2 is 7. Let us close the bracket. y1 minus y2 I have written. Let us simplify this. 1 by 2 outside as it is. And then minus 4. 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5. Next term is 0 here. Plus into minus, it is minus. And then 4 you write. Within the bracket 5 minus 7, that leads to minus 2 here. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 5 4 is 20. This is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket minus 20. This is, see, this is minus 20. Leave that 0. Minus into minus plus 4 2 is 8 here. So plus 8 here. Check once again, it is plus 8 or not? Yes, plus 8 it is. 1 by 2 I have written outside. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 20 and 8. Opposite signs are there, take the difference. Minus 12 here. Okay, this leads to minus 12. So this is equal to what here? Minus 6 here. Area never be negative, so it should be written in positive sense here. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎರರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 4 minus 2 ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ minus 2. It is minus 2. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ y3 ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. This is minus 2 ಇದೆ, so minus of minus this becomes plus 2 here. y3 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. This is minus 2 here and then ಇಲ್ಲೇನೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y3 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. y3 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. This is minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. Next 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 4s are how much? 9 4s how much? 36. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ತಟ್ಟೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲೇ. See here, let me take into consideration, continue the calculation. 1 by 2 as it is here. Minus 4 into 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 direct ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ, otherwise keep the step. Minus 4 into bracket 7 plus 2 is 9. This is 0 here, no effect here. Minus 4 into bracket 5 minus 7, that is minus 2 here. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket minus 36. This is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket minus 36. First term. Next term is 0, leave it. Minus into minus plus 4 to the 8. This is plus 8 here. Plus 8. 36 and 8 difference, you tell me. What difference you are getting?
24. 28 number.
Minus of how much?
Minus 28.
Minus 28. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So minus 14. Area never be negative. So you need to take the positive value. Therefore delta 1 is equal to, you take the absolute value of this minus 14 and this is equal to 14 square units. So this is what the area of the first triangle, delta 1 I have calculated. Now let me take delta 2. Delta 2 is nothing but again the formula is same. 1 by 2 into bracket, sorry, ಏನಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Delta 2 is nothing but what? Area of triangle BCD you need to calculate. Area of triangle BCD here. BCD. Let us note the points here. B is 0 7. 0 7. 0 7. C is 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. 5 comma minus 5. Next D is minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 comma minus 2. See carefully, you apply. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Okay, let us use these points and write the formula. This is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3, okay, plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. So this is what the concerned formula. Let us substitute the values clearly. 1 by 2 into bracket x1 value you see here 0. 0 into anything is 0. You directly keep the first term 0. x2 value which is 5. Write 5 bracket. Sorry. This is 5 into bracket. 5 into bracket. x2 is 5. y3 minus y1. What is y3? Minus 2. Minus y1. y1 is 7 here. Okay. Plus x3. x3 value is minus 4 into bracket. Minus 4 into bracket. y1 minus y2. y1 is 7. y2 is minus 5. See carefully. y2 is minus 5. Minus into minus, that leads to plus here. So you write plus 5 and then close the bracket. This is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 5 as it is, minus 2 minus 7 minus 9, plus into minus minus it is 4, you write as it is, 7 and 5, that leads to how much here? 12, you write 12 as it is. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 9 5s are 45 minus 45 ಏನಾರ ಎರರ್ ಆದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ. 12 4s are 48 plus what to write? 12 4s are 48. So not plus, it is minus of 48. Okay, 48 and 45, your sum is how much? 1 by 2 into bracket how much?
Minus 93.
Minus 93. So minus 93 divided by 2 you are getting. So delta 2 is equal to, you take the absolute value of minus 93 divided by 2, which is equal to plus 93 divided by 2 square units here. See, I have calculated delta 1 and delta 2 separately. My question is to find the area of the quadrilateral. You need to find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD here. So this is your delta 1, this is delta 2. You have to add up the two areas. That's all here. Okay. Now observe here. This is equal to area of quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD. This is equal to delta 1 plus delta 2. This is equal to, first one is 14 Allah. First one 14. 14 and 93 by 2. 14 plus 93 divided by 2 here. 12 14 to the 28. 28 plus 93 divided by 2. Tell me the sum of 93 and 28.
41 by 2.
40
1.
ಹೇ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. 140 ಹೆಂಗೆ ದಾಟ್ತದ? 28 ಆಯ್ತದು.
141.
1 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? 121
41 sir.
ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸರಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು. 121 by 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇದು.
Yes sir.
So 121 divided by 2, that leads to how much? 2 6 the 12. 0 will get 60.5 square units. So this is what the answer for this question. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD we have calculated. Now let us move to the next question. There is another interesting sum here. Just a minute. Now let me continue the next example. The base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. Find the vertices of the triangle. This is what the question. ಒಂದು equilateral triangle ಇದೆ, ಅದರದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸೈಡ್ 2a ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೇಸ್ ಎದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ equilateral triangle. ಸರಿ, now observe here, this is what the equilateral triangle. Just I would like to draw, just observe here. ಈ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ 4 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ equilateral triangle. Let me name this as, say this as A, this as B, and then this as C. BC is the base. This length BC, which is equal to base, and this base is equal to 2A. Okay, definitely when this total length is equal to 2A, when this total length is equal to 2A, this is 2A, definitely this AB is also equal to 2A, AC is also equal to 2A, because it is an equilateral triangle. And one more hint he has given, illond hint is not, midpoint of the base is at the origin. So midpoint is at the origin, O is the midpoint. So can you tell me OB length, what it will be?
A.
OB is nothing but what here, total length base 2A ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ A ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, so we have this is A unit and we can find out OA because it is situated at the origin. So angle O is 90 degree. In triangle, see in triangle OAB, angle O is equal to what here, 90 degree. So apply Pythagoras theorem here. AB is the hypotenuse. Square on hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares on other two sides. OB square plus OA square you can write. OAB, which is 2A bracket square. OB, sorry, AB is 2A, OB is A only, A square plus OA square you write here. So this is 4A square equal to A square plus OA square. So OA square equal to what you are writing? This implies OA square is equal to 4A square minus A square. Shift A square to this side, this becomes 3A square here. So OA equal to what it will be? This implies OA equal to, take the square root of or under root 3A square. This is nothing but root 3, separate it, and then square root of A square is A. Root 3A units. Root 3A units. So this is what the value of OA. Here this C is the point, A is on x-axis. This is on x-axis. So when OA length is equal to root 3A, can you tell me the coordinate of A? Hello? Can you tell me the coordinate of A? This is equal to root 3A, just now we have calculated. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2,0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದು. ಇದು 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ 1,0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 10 ಇದ್ದರೆ 10,0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ OA. We have the length OA. So what are the coordinates of point A?
Root 3A,
Root 3A, 0. So this implies the coordinate A corresponds to root 3A, 0. Next, see, OB length is A units. It is on Y axis. Which one? B. B point is on Y axis. Y axis. On Y axis, x coordinate is compulsorily 0. It is of length A units. See, it is of length A units. That is the reason why I have taken A, 0, A. Similarly, can you tell me anybody the coordinates of C? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ exactly. Again, this is also A unit, but this is minus A. Come on, C coordinate. C corresponds 0, minus A, because again that point C is on Y axis. On Y axis, x coordinate must be equal to what here? 0. So this is the funda behind this example. ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್. See students, the next question, third question. Find the distance between P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 when PQ is parallel to y-axis. PQ is parallel to x-axis. This is what the given question. Let us see this diagram here. This is your coordinate system. Okay. And then this is your x-axis. And then further this is y-axis. Here this is x, this is y. I would like to choose a line. See, question is to find the distance PQ when PQ is parallel to y-axis. I have chosen a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. Let me take this point as P. Say this as x1 comma y1. Second point is Q, x2 comma y2. Say this one as Q, which is x2 comma y2. See, in this case you need to find the distance PQ. PQ distance is equal to under root x1 minus x2, or you may write x2 minus x1 bracket square plus of y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this is what distance formula here. But in particularly when a line is parallel to y-axis, please concentrate, try to understand this concept here. This x coordinate x1 and x2 become same because see the diagram. X coordinate is the distance from y-axis. This becomes same now. When this becomes x1, this is also becoming x1. This is becoming x2. According to the point Q, I have written x2. But you see the distance 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Again, x1 is also 4 units. Clearly, x1 is equal to x2. This one you must try to understand. x1 must be equal to x2 because it is parallel to y-axis. x1 is again a distance from y-axis, x2 is also a distance from y-axis. The line PQ is parallel to y-axis. That's why x1 becomes equal to x2. Put that value in this case. When x1 is equal to x2, say x2 you replace it by x1, see you replace x2 by x1. So minus x1 bracket square plus of y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now the first term becomes 0. 0 square is 0 only. y2 minus y1 bracket square. So what you are getting under root y2 minus y1 bracket square, square and root cancels. So your answer is y2 minus y1 itself. So the PQ length is equal to what you can write here, y2 minus y1. Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Let us move to the next case. See, this is your coordinate system. Okay. I have chosen a line which is parallel to which axis? X-axis. See, this is your x-axis, x dash. Say a point, say P, which is x1 comma y1. Say this is the point, say Q, which is x2 comma y2. Okay. See students, please concentrate here. Try to understand the theme. What is the theme here? Question is to find the distance PQ. See, in this case, this distance from x-axis means this is nothing but what? Y1. Again in this with respect to Q, this is y2. But you see the diagram clearly, y1 is equal to y2 in this case. y1 equal to y2 ಯಾಕಾಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದು diagrammatically understand ಆಯ್ತಾ? Theoretically as well as diagrammatically?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, then let us write the formula. PQ formula. Distance formula under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus of y2 minus y1 bracket square. Write quickly all of you. y1 equal to y2 ಆದರೆ ಇದರ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? What will be its final answer?
x2 minus x.
x2 minus x1. Very good. Write down, complete the steps. x2 minus x1 bracket square. y2 and y1 are same. So this is becoming 0. Second term is becoming 0. Complete the formality. x2 minus x1 bracket square plus 0 square is 0 only. Square of x2 minus x1 bracket square under root. Square root cancels. So the answer is x2 minus x1. Is it clear for all? Or is there any doubt? Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the points 7, 6 and 3, 4. If you take into consideration any point ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ತರ್ರಿ. Let P of something be any point on x-axis. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್? 0. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ 0 ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. Take this point as A and this as B. It is given that, see here, find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. See your point, whatever you have chosen P, which is x comma 0, this is at equidistant from these two A and B. A is 7, 6. B is nothing but 3, 4. It is given that PA length is equal to PB, it is given. Okay. Now in order to calculate PA, take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Apply distance formula. In order to calculate PB, again you apply x1 y1 and this becomes x2 y2. Same again. But one technique I would like to use, take square on both sides. PA square is equal to PB square, you can write. So no need to write under root. Under root ಬರೀ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to again x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, this is what the formula. 2 times you need to apply the distance formula. Root ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋತ್ರಿ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೋಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Let us substitute the values. x2 minus x1. ಈಗ PA ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. PA x2 minus x1 ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, x2 minus x1 ಏನು ಬರೀಲಿ? 7 minus x bracket square. y2 minus y1 6 minus 0 bracket square equal to again x2 minus x1
3 minus x.
Okay, y2 minus y1
4 minus
0 bracket square. Next work is to expand this. 7 minus x bracket square. 7 square is 49 plus x square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 7 to the 14x. 14x. This is the expansion of the first term. 6 square is 36. 6 square is 36 plus 36. This is equal to 3 minus x whole square. Expand by using the formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. 3 square plus x square minus 6x. 3 square is 9 plus x square minus 6x. A square plus b square minus 2ab formula. Next, what's there? 4 square which is 16. Plus 16 or minus 16 you check up. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 16 ಇದೆ. ಸರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಾಗ ಅದಾವೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 49 36 ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. 49 36 85 ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ minus 14x. This is equal to 9 and 16 25 minus 6x. Take this 14x to that side and shift 25 to this side. This is 14x plus 14x. Minus 14x becomes plus 14x. Minus 6x is there here. Okay. 85 or 25 ಕಳೆದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಪಟ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. 60. 14 minus 6 8x. So x is equal to 60 by 8. Simplify this. What will get the value of x? Decimal ದಾಗ ಬೇಡ, fraction ದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
7.5.
15 by 2. 15 by 2. Decimal ದಾಗ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾ. 15 by 2. x equal to 15 by 2. 15 4 60, 15 4 15 60, 4 2 8. So x value we got. Therefore the point P corresponds to what? X comma 0. The value of x is 15 by 2. Next coordinate is 0, right? That's all. Question x find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, P find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಮುಗೀತು. Next question ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Find the slope of the line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 0, -4 and 8, 0. Find the slope of a line which passes through origin. Origin ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಗ and midpoint of the line segment joining the points P0 minus 4 and B80. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆವು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಓ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಪಿ ಈಸ್ 0 minus 4, ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 80. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾಸಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. 0 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 minus 4 and 80. 0 minus 4 80 ದ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದು ಎ, ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹಾದು ಹೊರಟಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಎ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Use this midpoint formula here. Let us substitute the values. This is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 place na ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Come on, what to write? x1 plus x2. 0 plus 8. Yes, minus 4 plus 0. This is 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 is 4, comma minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. 4 minus 2. So this corresponds to what here? 4 comma minus 2. Now take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Use the slope of line joining the 2 points. Slope of line joining 2 points is given by slope of line joining 2 points. 2 points. This we have calculated yesterday. This is given by head rain formula ನೆನಪೈತೇನ?
m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2.
Very good. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. ಇಲ್ಲೇ x1 y1 0 ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ನೊಳಗೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ x1 y1 ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 0 ಆಮೇಲೆ x2 y2 ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಅದು ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 minus 2 ಇದೆ. 4 minus 2 ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಗಮನಿಸ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, m is equal to y2 minus y1. See, y2 minus y1, that is nothing but minus 2 is y2 minus y1 is 0 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2? x2 is what? Can you tell me? Come on. 4 minus x2 minus what to write? x1 is 0. So what happens? m is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 4 plus 4. So 1 by 2 with negative sign. This is the answer. Followed this all of you?
Yes, sir.
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? ಸರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes, sir.
Without using Pythagoras theorem. Take this as A, this as B, this as C. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿನಾಗೈತೋ ಸಿನಾಗೈತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನೋ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, 4, 4. ಬಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ 3, 5. ಸಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ -1, -1. These are the 3 given points. Okay, these are the 3 given points. Without using Pythagoras theorem, show that the points 4, 4, 3, 5, -1 are the vertices of the right angle triangle. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಲಂಬಕೋನ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಲಂಬವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಲಂಬ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂತ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m1 ಅಂದ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m2 ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ m1 into m2. when two lines are perpendicular to each other, what is the condition in terms of the slope? Come on. When two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes must be equal to how much? -1. This concept is to be used. This theory is to be used here. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಮೊದಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ಗುಂಡ್ಲಬ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಮೂರದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ x1 y1, this as x2 y2 now. Slope of AB you take, slope of AB, slope of AB. Let me take this as m1, which is equal to the formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of line joining the 2 points. Okay, y2 minus y1, that's equal to 5 minus y1 value is 4 divided by, ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪಬಹುದು. ನಾನು x2 minus x1 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4. So m1 corresponds to how much? 5 minus 4 is 1, 3 minus 4 is -1. Am I correct? It is -1. m1 is -1. Next I would like to calculate slope of BC. AB ಆಯಿತು, BC ಕೆಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. BC ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, BC ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 now, x2 y2. Let us complete the calculation here. They take this as m2, which is equal to, again the formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is equal to, y2 value is -1, y2 value is -1, minus is there in the rule, y1 is 5, right, divided by x2 minus x1, x2 is -1, x1 is 3, -1 minus 3, so this is -6 divided by -4. Definitely this is leading to 2 2s are, 2 3s are, so 3 by 2. If you multiply -1 and 3 by 2, you will never get -1. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? m1 into m2 -1 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿ ಸಿಗೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಲಂಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎ ಸಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿ, that you take it as m3, which is equal to, again the formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What's the A? A is 4 4, 4 comma 4, this is A. And what is C? C is nothing but -1 here, -1 comma -1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 for your calculation here. Okay, m3 is equal to y2 minus 1, minus is there in the rule, minus y1 which is 4 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2? x2 is -1 minus x1, x1 is again 4. So the answer is -5 divided by -5, which is leading to +1. What's equal to? m3 is equal to 1 here. Now you observe here, m1 into m3. m1 is -1, m3 is +1. The product is leading to -1. m1 into m3 is equal to -1. It means m1 is slope of AB, m3 is the slope of AC. So AB is perpendicular to AC. So this implies triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಏನು ಬಳಸಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೈಥಾಗೊರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಬಳಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎ ಬಿ ಲಂಬ ಎ ಸಿ ಸಾಧಿಸಿದೆ ತ್ರಿಭುಜ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇರೋದು. ಎ ಬಿ ಲಂಬ ಎ ಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಹಾಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಲಂಬ ಎ ಸಿ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಇದು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ದ? ಎ ಬಿ ಲಂಬ ಎ ಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ? ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿ ತಗೋರಿ. ಈಗ ಸರಿ ಆತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ತಪ್ಪಿತೋ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ m1, ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ m1, ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ m1, this is m1, this is m2, this is m3. We have calculated the slope of the line segments AB, BC, AC. It is found that M1 into M3 is minus 1, that's why AB is perpendicular to AC and hence it is right angled at A. So the triangle ABC becomes a right angle triangle here. Is it clear for all?